My name's Claire and welcome to Birchal. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invest in a company through our platform. So let's get started. Head to the company profile page and hit View Investment Offer. When you get to the offer page, you'll need to read our general CSF risk warning, our fees disclosure, and our cooling off rights before you continue. Once you get to the investment offer page, you'll see a summary of the investment offer here, a summary of the investment rewards available to investors on the right-hand side, and the offer documents here. If you want to view the offer documents, you'll need to be logged into the Birchal platform to view the company constitution, subscription agreement, and offer document. Go up here, put in your investment amount, and hit the green Invest button. Now, you need to be logged in to invest into a company through Birchal, so I'll go ahead and do that now. And then if you haven't yet, this is where you can download the Outland Denim investment offer document to read before you complete your investment. Once you've read it, hit I agree, continue. Here's where you need to put in your details to submit your offer into Outland Denim. As you can see, my mobile number, my legal name, my date of birth, and my residential address. From here, you need to check your mobile phone. We'll have sent a verification code to your mobile there, and you need to type this in. Once you get to the next stage, you can choose a reward. Scroll down and either select No Reward or the reward that correlates to your investment amount. In this case, I'm going to pick the reward for $250. Then hit Next. Here, I need to confirm that this is me investing into this company by providing a form of ID. In this case, I provided my Australia's driver's license and my license number. I've also read and accepted the Outland Denim subscription agreement and Birchal Financial Services investor terms. By clicking this green button Invest, I'm confirming that I agree to invest $250 into the Outland Denim CSF offer. To payment. On Birchal, our standard payment is through direct debit. So scroll down here and put in your account name, your BSB number, your account number, and the bank name that you bank with. If you're investing from overseas, head up here and hit Foreign Bank Transfer. If you're having issues with payment, please head to the right-hand side of your screen and hit the chatbot, and one of the Birchal team will be there to help you with your payment. Agree? And you'll also see your payment due date here as well. Once you confirm payment, you'll see that you've completed your investment into Outland Denim and the investment amount. Now, you can see your unique referral link, which you can copy and paste into any social post or email and earn rewards for people investing into Outland Denim. To check your investment, go here. Once you reach your portfolio page, you can see all the investments you've made through Birchal and when your payment's due. If you need to update your payment details, hit the red button and you can update them here. Thanks for watching.